Hello guys, magputol sila ng kahoy. Tanawa, tingnan mo guys, oh. With remote control na lang tong ano, oh. Yan guys, oh, with remote control. The operator is here. Tukmal. Remote control guys. Oh, malaki na ang nakita niya, oh. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Oh, nilinisan niya. Remote control lang guys. Hindi na mag-drive ka. Hindi na magputol ng ano, gamit ng mga gamit sa pagputol ng kahoy. Hindi na. Ito na, oh. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Oh, yan. Ya, Kukmal, oh. Oh, das ist gut, Kukmal. Ist sie schon fertig? Ja, Kukmal. Oh, with remote control, guys. Oh. Kukmal, the operator is bringing the remote control. Oh. Yan, oh, yan ang naano niya, guys. Yan. Hello guys, yan ang operator ng ano guys, oh. Magputol ng kahoy, ano na, remote control na. Wala nang tao. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Nida Hair Tukes.